I can tell you that there is a solid return on investment in regards to dash cams that provides an immediate return from a protection or liability protection standpoint. When an accident does occur, we can simply go into the platform and download the video of what happened. With the AI cameras that have the battery backup, even if the truck loses power, the video is protected, and that's huge. Now we know exactly what happened all the way through the crash. I cannot imagine trying to manage the amount of data and the safety events the technology is pulling in, the alerts going directly to the parties that you need that have a vested interest in those. But essentially taking me and taking my team out of the middle of having to manually touch every single piece of data and do something with it. The efficiencies that the platform have added to where it's doing a lot of that work for us. We're seeing our compliance numbers internally also improve drastically, and we're also seeing the CSA basic and hours of service improve. And I think that's what I get excited about, is the potential to learn and change behavior and become a safer fleet from the Bennett family company standpoint, but also a safer industry in regards to the motoring public. Our partnership with Motive is long-term at this point. It's something that has stood up, and it's something that we can count on. It's something that we have found to trust. It's something that we know that whatever it is that we're facing, we're not alone. It's something that we know that we're listened to, and that's a huge deal.